Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 21st of November. I'm James Spann. Weather like this makes our job pretty simple. It's a dry forecast through the weekend and much of next week looking dry as well. Let's go in there and check things out. There's the water vapor satellite view across the continental United States, a big trough axis west of the state. That'll push a new surge of cool, dry air in here tomorrow. Got some clouds over northwest Alabama and east and southeast Alabama, but underneath all that, the air is very dry. There's no rain around. Temperatures right where they should be for this time of the year, mostly low to mid-60s. The cool spot, Fort Payne, up in northeast Alabama, they're sitting at 55. You see that new surge of very cold air coming down across the Canadian border. That is Arctic air, but the really core of that will stay north of us. We'll catch just the glancing blow, if you will. Highs will drop back in the 50s most likely tomorrow, and Thursday will be close to freezing by Thanksgiving morning. Many spots will be in the 20s. Travelers, good news, amazingly quiet on this Tuesday before Thanksgiving. No major storms around the nation. No severe weather problems today and tonight. Maybe some thunder on the western Gulf Coast and the South Atlantic coast, but again, no severe weather. And how about no rain for the next 7 days for us? The biggest numbers back in the Pacific Northwest, Portland, Seattle, Spokane. You'll see some mountain snow up there. And around here, rain possible for the next 7 days down in parts of the Florida Peninsula, places like Jacksonville, Daytona, Tampa, Orlando, Fort Myers, West Palm Beach, and Miami, but nothing for Alabama. It's a very dry pattern for the next 7, maybe 10 days. And off in the tropics, things are very quiet. 9 days left in this hurricane season, and it's pretty much over. Model fans, let's check it out. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon Central Time. Trough axis moving on to the east. And again, we'll see a surge of cooler, drier air. I say cooler, drier, cooler air. The air is dry as it is now. Highs most likely drop into the upper 50s tomorrow. But again, that's the biggest travel day of the year. So we got the national maps up throughout the holiday weekend here. So pick out your destination. Snow is likely in upper New England. Rain for the New England coast. Rain back in the Pacific Northwest. And really, that's about it. Things are very quiet. Thanksgiving Day. Got a broad surface low approaching Tampa Bay. That will not bother us. We start the day around freezing. The high should be in the 50s. Black Friday. Again, we start the day in the 30s. The high Friday should be in the low 60s. And Iron Bowl Saturday looking good. We're expecting a high in the middle 60s. A perfect day for a football game at Jordan-Hare Stadium. Go to Sunday. A lot of folks are traveling back on this day. And again, much of the country is quiet. For us, Sunday should be a sunny day, a bit cooler. A new surge of cooler air drops in. The high maybe upper 50s on Sunday. And Monday, that surface high right on top of us. Most likely we'll see a freeze. The high Monday should be in the low 60s. And a week from today, Tuesday the 28th of November. Again, got a zonal flow here and a dry air mass. Let's keep going. This is out there at the end of next week, Friday, December 1. Again, it's a zonal flow, a little wave to the west, but it's a dry air mass. I mean, just very, very quiet here. In fact, this is the QPF. The rain for the next 10 days, basically for most of Alabama and Mississippi, not a drop. So we can be thankful we're not dealing with tornadoes and severe storms and that this is the late fall tornado season. But on the other hand, we could use some rain. We'll see if we can get some in here after 10 days. Temperatures really a little below average, but not by far. Highs mostly in the 50s and 60s and lows mostly in the 30s and the 40s around here for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here will be tomorrow morning. We're going to a holiday schedule, 1 video per day beginning tomorrow. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.